Hello friends and folks and family members watching my channel on YouTube. Today I decided to do a irregular thing for me, basically to upload a process of D3S, Nikon D3S unboxing, a small gift which I recently purchased for myself. The reason of purchase is basically to shoot my kids in low light conditions, and reportedly Nikon D3S is the camera which can basically help you do it, and it has a great ISO performance. So let's take a look. What do we have from the Zurich store? A Nikon D3S inside. So I'll start the process of unpacking. The process itself is a nice thing. It's kind of a process which makes you want to share this with your friends in terms of emotions and a feeling. It's such a nice feeling. So let's go ahead and open it. First thing you see is a strap which says Nikon D3S, and of course the warranty cards. On all top equipment, Nikon offers minimum 2 years warranty, and which you can extend. Lots of guides in German, French and Italian. Unfortunately useless for me, so I'll need to search for an English one on the internet. Luckily we've got plenty of those available on the internet with the detailed instruction. So we've got a CD, maybe a DVD with something which is worth to see. We'll see. Audio video connection cord, and I'll try to make the process fast so that you're not bored at the end of it. Oh, it's a separate box with all sort of stuff. Okay, the power cord for a battery charger, I guess. USB to mini USB connection cord. Eyepiece. Yeah, I believe that's the thing which closes the viewfinder. An extra battery, which is having an extremely good capacity, which is enough to shoot up to 4,000 shots, I believe. What else is there? And the famous double-deck charger for 2 Nikon batteries. Looks nice. So, and here we go with the ta-da! Nikon D3S. So, heavy stuff, I need to admit. Quite heavy. Okay. So here we go again. Okay, so that's the monster. That's the new Nikon D3S. One of the best ISO performance cameras available today on the professional camera market. That's how it looks. And yeah, I mean it has a fantastic viewfinder. It's roughly 1.2 kilo of weight. Looks and feels quite unbalanced without the lens attached. So let's attach my favorite 24 to 70 millimeter lens to it to have a more balanced and good feeling. Okay, well now with the 24-70 lens attached, this looks quite balanced and it feels good. It feels just right for both portrait and landscape photography. feeling unlucky because the camcorder cannot, unfortunately, let you feel this feeling of a grasp of this camera. However, let's take some pictures so that you have a feeling how it feels like when you make pictures with Nikon D3S. For this I will need to most probably unpack my memory card, which I also bought today, which is a SanDisk Extreme 60 megabyte per second, 8 giga, which is first and most probably it will be a secondary card, whilst the primary one will be 16 giga up to 90 megabyte per second, because I intend to record RAW files on the primary card and JPEGs fine quality on a secondary card. So okay, so that's how this big screen looks like. I hope you guys see that. Okay, so, and that's the sound of the shutter. Just listen to this. I am impressed, to be honest. Once again. Well, a weird feeling. Okay, that's okay. As a last thing, I wanted to compare the bodies of Nikon D90 with the Nikon D3S, so that you see the difference is quite obvious, of course. And the camera, I mean, after Nikon D3S, D90 with my favorite 85mm lens, fixed lens, primary, it feels weightless. I mean, it's just nothing. It's as light as a feather. But let's see the last thing, how this camera will look like with the speedlight flash attached. Well, that's for I don't even know whether this camera needs any flash. Nikon positions this camera, Nikon D3S, as the one which does not require any flash, though for some of the occasions, I believe, especially for Nikon creative system, I will probably need the flash. So that's how it looks with the Nikon SB900 flash attached. So that's my new gear today. Thanks for watching, and until next time. Next time I will upload some of the pictures I made in low light condition with this camera, so watch and comment. Cheers!